Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 1966 Mustang. It's now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth and a heck of a lot more output power because the customer went with a new harness in place of the original connector. So let's check everything out and make sure it works before we send her back. Well, actually, his mechanic will be coming today to pick it up. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I receive in my area, so we can test the balance and fader functions during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright issues. So let's turn it up.
For car repairs.
I was there to comfort and help an elderly disabled woman who just lost her husband and only caretaker.
I sat with the family after they learned
original left-right balance control.
in an accident.
I was there to comfort a child when her mother was taken to the hospital.
I was there when a wife had to decide to
center
discontinue resuscitative efforts for her husband.
I was there to help a woman.
Now we're going to activate the virtual front-rear fader, which is done using the tone control.
I'm a small business owner, and I am an apt volunteer.
I am in retail sales, and I am a
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Flight attendant,
All the
and
way front.
I am an apt
Rear.
volunteer.
I'm a retired court administrator, and I'm an act volunteer.
I work in
Rear.
real estate, and I am
I'm
an
gonna
apt
center 'em.
volunteer.
The Arizona Crisis Team, ACT volunteers, advocates with compassion.
Fader set.
Okay,
Volunteers
let's make sure the blue...
training classes start Saturday, October 11th for both Presque Quad Cities and the Verde Valley City.
Just wanted to get the balance adjusted here. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Team.org.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to switch over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, so now we're on AM. We're going to go off on. Okay, now we're on FM.
For having me.
This is your seventh.
Le ofreciste la...
If you know the Lord, if you don't, I'm going to get
You to stop by for a visit. Makers at Little Dealer, Little Pro.
Can I get a witness?
Discounted generation.
The full eightfall gunshots.
I'm taking what's mine. Always more fun. Click.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Right now.
Okay, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light works. Oh yeah, nice soft green glow. You can just barely see it lighting up as I press and release the button. So she's good to go. Everything's working and she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And around the middle of the home page of that website, there's a link to my work order, which has all my options and prices, including options for turn time. So please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about prices, options, and turn time, because that's all in the work order, and it'll answer all your questions as you're filling it out. And then if you do need to call me, it's just to get to know me for a couple minutes instead of a 15-minute barrage of what all do you do and how much does it cost. So please do that research before calling me with a bunch of questions. That just keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. And so thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Richard, for your business. Actually, this is for Richard in Waddell, Arizona, so he's pretty close to me. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and we'll see you guys next time.